Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all to EduTap. Welcome to a 5-minute series. Today I've got another very important topic under ESI, rural banking institutions. We will get to know about the working of the rural banking institutions in our country through this short video. Before we proceed, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. Do join our Telegram channel so that you can get daily videos, daily content that is absolutely free of cost. My dear friends, one more announcement. EduTap has extended its Raksha Bandhan discount offer. Use coupon code RAKHI, RAKHI, to avail this discount of 40% on all our courses. Today is the last day to avail this discount. Okay, so my topic is rural banking institutions. We will try to understand how the rural banking works in our country, right? So guys, this institution of rural banking primarily is called as Cooperative Agriculture Credit Structure. Why? Because agriculture credit is being provided and the structure that is followed is actually, we can say, two-tier: short-term credit and long-term credit, based on the type of credit obviously. Now, short-term credit itself means the credit that is provided for a very short span of time. It's usually less than 1 year, right? In terms of farming, when we say, it is usually for one harvesting season or one sowing season, right? While long-term credit is usually the credit which is for a long term and it is utilized for making some big changes in the land itself. So it is for more than 5 years, and farmer uses, let's say farmer wants to develop the infrastructure on its land, solar installation the farmer wants to do, or farmer wants to buy the land itself, then the farmer will go for long term credit. While if a small farmer wants to buy seeds or buy the new implements for this particular sowing season, then he or she will go for short term credit. So based on the credit, there are two types of credits, right? Now if you want to avail short term credit, then there is again a 3-tier structure that is followed. In a grassroots democracy, the structure is state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, and the primary agriculture credit society. So this is the most important society. It is dealing directly with the farmers. Primarily society which is providing credit to the short term to the farmers. On the other hand, long-term credit is again of two types, state and primary, right? There is no district level credit which is provided here. Now, one more thing before we proceed, these two are also called as land development banks. Earlier they were land development banks, but few years back the name was changed because it's not necessary that land development is gonna be done. They said that it should be in sync with other types of credit and the society, so that is why it was called as State or Central Cooperative Agri Rural Development Bank. Similarly, Primary Cooperative Agri Rural Development Bank. This is what your long-term credit system is. Talking about short-term, guys, let's talk about PACS. So the idea is to promote economic interest of the members. There's a society, people are the members of that society, and according to the cooperative principles, the economic interest is pursued. Now, how the economic interest will be pursued? Let's say I am a small farmer, I am a member of a primary agriculture credit society. I'll go and ask for the seeds, for the loan for the seeds. So that is what is reaching me, and that is what the purpose of this society. I am just giving you an example of seeds. It may be fertilizers, it may be implements, it may be any other thing which is used as an input, right? Then after primary societies, there is district central cooperative bank. These are very common banks. Dccbs are called as. They are a part of actually primary societies and state bank. They are playing a balance force between these two types of societies and banks. Main function is to meet the credit requirement of the member societies, because these people, they will approach here, and where they will go to the state cooperative bank. So to perform banking business, to act as a balancing center of PACS and state cooperative bank, is the function of the district cooperative bank. Talking about state cooperative bank, in a state, agriculture is a state subject. I hope you understand that. So state cooperative bank is the apex institution at the state level. The main objective is to link these societies towards the network of the finances, that is to the banking channels. The main aim is this, and how will it do it? Through these. So it will approach this, they will approach this. So this is a 3-tier structure which is being followed. I hope you understand this, right? Top to bottom or bottom to top approach this is. Talking about the LDBs, the long-term credit structure. So land development banks are now called as state cooperative agriculture rural development banks, right? So as I told you, the purpose is to develop the land or buy the new land itself. Usually farmer has this thing. So this bank also follows two tier structure, primary LDB or state LDB. Now guys, as I told you, it's a state subject, so sometimes the state decides that there should be no primary LDB because we are already running short term credit 3-tier structure. So for LDBs, they have only one tier structure, that is State Land Development Bank. If primary is there, it will be dealing with the state level branches, while state will again be the apex institution, and all the primary land development banks will be a part of the state land development bank. There's always a hierarchy which is being followed, right? So that's it, my dear friends. I hope you understand that how the rural banking institutions work in our country. Thank you so much for your precious time. Wish you all the very best for your upcoming NABARD Grade A examination. I hope this lecture helps you to clear your examination.